Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your online accounts with Adobe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your online accounts with Adobe, start by navigating to the Adobe website. Look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Once on the Sign In page, locate the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Adobe account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Check your inbox for an email from Adobe. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to the password reset page. Create a new password needing Adobe's requirements. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once your new password is set, click the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation message that your password has been updated. Return to the Adobe Sign In page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button. If successful, you will gain access to your Adobe account. For any additional issues, refer to Adobe's Help Center for support options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.